Right, come on then, the journey starts here.
Oh, pick this rubbish up, don't leave that there. Let's shut this door.
Yeah, shut that one.
Well, it's the 9th of March, it's Saturday.
9th of March, it's
And
cold.
we're on his way.
That's all I know. It's cold and we need to get to warmer climes. Right, come on then, 5-minute walk to bus station, here we go. Are you ready?
Yeah.
Hello and welcome to the channel. Tomorrow we're setting out to Torrevieja for our first stint of the year and we need to make sure we leave the house in good order. As usual, we unplug all the unused appliances from the wall sockets. The only thing we leave on is the Wi-Fi for the security system and the security cameras. And we also turn off the water outside. We also place containers of damp absorbing material around the house to prevent moisture and build-up of mould, etc. They're from Home Bargains and they cost about $1.70 for two 500 gram packs. We buy quite a few of these and we use 3 in the cellar, 1 in each wardrobe and others dotted around the house. Another job before we leave is to cancel the TV licence, and this will save us £41 over the time we're away.
How can I help?
Yeah, hello there. I'd like to cancel my licence from the 9th of March, please.
Okay, oh sorry, have you got the licence number?
Yeah, it's full.
Thank you. Are you the licence holder?
I am, yeah. I'm going to reinstate the licence when we get back. So, you know, we go away for 3 months, then we come back for 3 months, and then we go away for 3 months. So we just cancel the licence each time and then reinstate it when we get back.
Right, that's absolutely fine. There is notes on the system.
Oh, good.
As well. So it's a cancellation from the 9th.
Yeah, 9th of March.
Yes, no, so it doesn't matter what day in the month, it doesn't matter. So I've put that through for you. I've registered the address as unoccupied as well, so that will be put in place for 3 months.
Right.
Obviously, once you get back, you'll have the refund form. So if you just fill that in when you get back, and then we can reinstate your licence and obviously refund for that month as well. That would all, yeah.
Well, is it a new account every time when you reinstate it?
Yeah, it's a new account. We can't transfer it over. If we could, it would make it a lot easier in this sort of circumstance.
Yeah.
But it's just not something that we can physically do, unfortunately. So you'd need to claim it back off this one.
Right.
And
Okay.
then reset a new one once you come back to the property. I do apologise.
Yeah, it's no problem. Okay, we can do that.
All right, so that's all gone through for you.
All right, that's great. Thank you.
Thank you.
Okay, bye-bye. At the moment, the only documents we need are our passports and our boarding passes, which are on our smartphones, but not for long. When the new ETIAS system starts in 2025, we'll have to apply for an ETIAS travel authorisation and pay €7. ETIAS stands for European Travel Information and Authorisation System. The launch of ETIAS will take place a few months after the introduction of the entry-exit system. This is called the EES. And that will require identity travel document data and biometric checks for non-EU travellers entering the Schengen Zone. Once the new system is in place, we in the UK will have to apply for an ETIAS travel authorisation before we set off. Travellers will have to submit their ETIAS applications online using either the official ETIAS website or the official mobile app. So that's another hoop we'll have to go through, but I think it'll be easy. It'll be similar to the travel form we had to fill in during the dreaded COVID.